Hi, I'm Dave Keith, owner and CEO of NBE Property Restoration and SCB Builders. Let me introduce to you Mike Nunley, owner and operations manager, and Eric Keith, owner and construction manager. Together, we partner with clients to ensure every remediation and restoration project is a success. For over 20 years, we have been leaders in mold remediation, water damage, and fire restoration. As licensed contractors with board certifications from the ACAC, we bring true expertise to the table, and not just weekend training, but proven, accredited knowledge you can trust. At NBE, we handle projects of any size, guiding you through every step of the way to restore your home to its pre-loss condition. We've successfully completed thousands of jobs across Sonoma, Marin, and Napa counties, and we're thrilled to have earned the Diamond Certified Award for 10 consecutive years, a testament to our commitment to excellence. I think the biggest difference with NBE Property Restoration and other companies is really our expertise and our knowledge. Between the three partners, we have over 30 years of experience in the mold and water damage industry, and we have the equipment and the technology to be able to tackle any problems you may have. Our staff is very qualified. Each of our team members work in groups of at least 2 to 4, and on every project, we have a team leader to ensure quality and to ensure that the job goes correctly. The history of our company goes back decades. I actually started a company called K2 Environmental back in 2002, and at that time, I was also Diamond Certified. Fast forward, and I started another company called North Bay Environmental, which eventually became NBE Property Restoration. I changed the name of the company so that it closely matched what we do. We restore properties. Some of the other equipment we use are negative air machines, HEPA air scrubbers, dehumidifiers, and infrared cameras. These pieces of equipment help us do our job. Whatever your remediation or construction needs, NBE has the knowledge, experience, and resources to deliver outstanding results. We take your home and your situation seriously, and we're here to be your trusted solution. So reach out to NBE today for top-tier remediation and restoration services.